guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be playing some good games. And guys, I got some squishies too. Listen, is that satisfying? And we have this too. It's a little strawberry one. Okay, let's get to the video. Let's do this. Okay. I just love the dumpling so much. Especially listen to this. It's so funny. Listen. I just pooped my pants. Ah.
Love you, Casey.
Love you. Okay, guys, I'll talk to Mom and give her loves real quick. Wait, guys, I have to fart. Oh! Okay, I'm sorry. Love you, Mom! Okay. Plus one animal is scary! Oh! Yo, where? Oh, this ripped butt. And butt cheek, butt chuck. Bro! You freaking help some people. Yo, don't worry about them, bro. What's going on? Hold on. We gotta be good now. Dude, dang, why do you jump so high? Oh! Danger. No! We're good. Go. Oh, we're good. Be good. A good boy. 3 tokens, bet. Okay. No, I thought I saw the stalker for a second. Rafu. Okay, let's buy +1 2 speed on this thing now. Okay. I'm a cat boy, got a little rough boy. A little whack boy. How? My bad. Okay. Yo, how's that person so fast? Boing. There we go. Level 4 to 5. Let's go. We're twins. No! I freaking jumped. Oh, guys, look, we can gamble. $1K speed. That's next. 1K speed again. And last spin. Never mind, we have another spin. 1K speed. It's our next one. And 100 wins! Bet. Guys, we just got 100 wins. That's crazy. Do you guys not know how crazy? Look, we can get this thing. It's like the character or something. It looks like Dr. Harwell, but it's not. He's like a deer guy or something. Oh, we can rebirth. Just noticed. Boom. Okay. Oh, why are we leveling up so fast? Let's go. Okay. Alright, guys, let's do something. Okay. We're ready. Wait, hold on, bro. Guys, listen to this. Oh. I don't feel so good. Okay, guys, let's just keep doing this. Oh, we're so fast, guys. Look at us. Look how fast we are. 60 seconds. So, you got slammed. Easy. I know the way. It's so freaking easy. Yeah. Heck yeah. Where do we see the things? It's the stalker. We need to run from the stalker. How we get damaged? Guys, we're so low. Let's just get the 21s and 8 tokens. Can't afford stuff. Okay. Hey guys, let's vote. Hey guys, I'm adding comments to my video one time. Well, one time. That's the only time I'm gonna do that. I'm not in the group. Guys, let's gamble. Time to gamble. Freaking go. 2 more spin and it ends. Hey, now you better look. 2. One spin. What the heck? 1K speed. Oh. Wheel spinning. 2 more spins. Pets. 100 wins. 222. Did not get wins. 10K speed? Oh man. No wins. Yo, we're gonna be gambling for a while. Oh! Yo, why do I have a headache right now? Holy heck, dude. Let's go. We can get the Dr. Harlow thing now. Hi guys, I'm Dr. Harlow. Okay, but we have to rebirth. And yeah, boing, yeah. I gotta run from the stalker. Okay, we're good. Guys, by the way, I'm gonna do on my next video, I'm gonna do a part 2 of Rumble Break the YouTuber! Yes! Oh, heck yeah. Okay, guys, let's get as far as we can. Then that's the end of the video. No, actually, I genuinely. 2, 1, danger, dead. Yeah, as far as we can without falling. If we do die, too bad. You can't go back. Yeah. No! Gosh, okay, got this collector. Get in their life. And bye, guys. That's the end of the video. Peace. Peace. See you in the next video, which is part 2 of Breaking YouTuber. Bye-bye.